It's been 2 years, and I love this thing, Mr. Cool Universal. There's the condenser. I even have a warning sign because I have this thing alarmed. I have a wire that hooks into my alarm system, so if anyone tries to chop this thing off, my home alarm is going to go off. I recommend highly a surge protector. Wrap those. Keep the moisture out. Have a cutoff. Okay, let's go upstairs and see the evaporator. Ta-da! Never mind the trash. Here is the beauty. There's my drain. Supply lines. My return. The return comes all the way over here. From there, there's an extra filter. There it is, Mr. Cool. Love this thing. Heat pump technology inverter. Awesome.
So the intent was to fight this. Our usage was pretty much stable, but our costs were going up. So in 2021, we decided to install solar panels. So our solar panel electricity usage went down from the utility standpoint. In 2022, we decided to remove the furnace and switch over to the Mr. Cool Universal, which is awesome. So our gas usage dropped, and here's 2023 where we had a full year of no gas, so it dropped considerably. Our costs went down. Decided to add 4 more solar panels. So what happened was we overproduced, and so we had a bank of all this energy. 2023, it kind of, since we started using the heat pump, we're using more electricity. So with the extra 4 panels, we're net pretty much stabilized, and our costs are zero. So Mr. Cool Universal, awesome. Went from using up all this gas with increasing gas prices to switching to electric, which we have solar, and that makes a great pairing. Highly recommend if you have solar.